Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new build. So for Dev Channel, of course. So remember, the Dev Channel is now its own little ring going forward into the future of Windows. Dev Channel build 25126 was released today, May the 25th. It is installing on my Dev Channel PC right now, so we'll try to talk about it possibly a little later today, and we'll be looking at the details of what's in there. If we look at the blog post for 25126 here, what does it say? It says new account setting page, lots of bug fixes. What's new in here? Account settings page, different. So apparently this is interesting, and then it's mostly fixes. So we'll at least look at that new account setting page, and of course manage and enable the view of the Microsoft 365 subscription, Windows 11, and so on. So we'll look at that. Seems that there's some changes ahead for the build. And of course, you know, these are the first few builds of the latest Dev Channel builds for what will be, you know, at some point 23 H2 next year. And so some of the features seen here might or might not show up. And for those that are asking me all the time, should I go to the Dev Channel and test this? Remember, Dev Channel locks you in. Once you're there, and the only way to get out is to reinstall Windows from scratch. And that's the only thing. And until at least next year, when they kind of match the beta and dev together. The other thing is, it is unstable more than any other build, so that means you could have problems. You can have your PC not working because of one build. Every time I see somebody rant at this, it's obvious you don't understand what testing Windows is all about, especially in the Dev Channel. Anything can happen, and so, you know, it's not for the faint of heart. It is for those that know how to deal with reinstalling Windows if something goes wrong. So unless you really want to test it and really know what you're doing, I don't recommend the Dev Channel to anybody except those that really want to. Of course, you can run it in a virtual environment if you want, stuff like that. And one thing that I see all the time, remember that the Windows Insider program is not an open ticket for a free version of Windows. It doesn't work like that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and go and check out your Windows updates on the Dev Channel for build 25126, available today, May 25th, 2022.